Health Break is brought to you by Tower Health, advancing health, transforming lives.
For people who have severe hearing loss from inner ear damage or who get little benefit from hearing aids, cochlear implants may help restore some of their hearing. Dr. Daryl Mueller explains.
The external processor receives sound from the environment and changes it into a digital signal, and then that signal is sent to the internal implant, which then converts the digital signal into an electrical impulse, and the brain perceives that as sound.
Cochlear implants can be placed and fine-tuned by the staff at Reading Hospital's Speech and Hearing Center.
It can bring them out of their silence and back into the hearing world, and it makes a tremendous impact on their quality of life.
For more free information on cochlear implants, call 484-628-HELP or visit our website at towerhealth.org. For Health Break, I'm Beverly Herbert.
Health Break was brought to you by Tower Health, advancing health, transforming lives.